In a fiery statement, Prince Ndubeko Sibanda, a staunch supporter of opposition leader Nelson Chamisa, has declared that the time for dialogue with the government is over. Sibanda, known for his unwavering loyalty to Chamisa, urged fellow opposition supporters to take to the streets and demand change just days ahead of the 44th SADC summit. It's no longer time to beg him, it's no longer time to dialogue with him. Our target is to completely remove him and the entire system, Sibanda said in a statement that has gone viral on social media. Sibanda's comments have sparked both praise and concern, with some hailing his passion and conviction, while others worry about the potential consequences of such a radical action. The streets will resolve our problems. We need to push. Freedom is here, Sibanda exclaimed, echoing the sentiments of many Zimbabweans who feel frustrated with the current state of affairs. The timing of Sibanda's statement has raised eyebrows, coming as it does on the eve of the 44th SADC summit, where regional leaders will gather to discuss key issues affecting the region, and also where President Emmerson Mnangagwa will assume the chairmanship of SADC. Analysts warn that Sibanda's call to action could potentially embarrass the government on the international stage and may even impact Zimbabwe's relations with its neighbors. The government has yet to respond to Sibanda's statement, but observers expect a strong reaction in the coming days as the situation unfolds. Zimbabweans wait with bated breath to see what actions will be taken next.